Right, it's the old Lee load all. Okay, we've got powder in this side and shot in that side. Number 6 shot, when the powder is red dot, smokeless. And we're gonna, well, I'm going to show you how to reload a used cartridge. You can see that the percussion cap has been fired. So we're going to put it in the first station and just knock out the percussion cap. You see it just roll out there. Put the new one on. So we've got the primers here, Cheddite primers. They're a mild primer, so I'm using quite a hot powder. Right, so let's stick that in there. Pop the new one in. That's gone in. Should be nice and flush. Right, now for the powder. Just pop the powder in. And we want a wad. I'm using plastic Cheddite wads. Got to get the right wad for the cartridge you're using. Right, just pop that in. It's obviously a bit easier when you've got 2 hands. Right, so that wad's gone in. So when that station's down, you just pop the shot over. The shot's gone in. You can see in there that shot's gone in. Put it into the 4th part, which is to crimp up. That should just start to fold it over. And then the final crimp. That should close him off, making a ready to use cartridge again. Now that's the 2nd time that cartridge has been used. Probably get about 5 uses out of 1 cartridge. And that is it. That's the Lee Load all.